The following is an Investor Brand Network audio production via our audio press release solutions. As a multifaceted financial news and publishing company, Investor Brand Network utilizes its network of more than 5,000 distribution partners as well as other corporate communication tools to introduce public and private companies to a wide audience of investors, consumers, journalists, and the general public. Investor Brand Network's platform connects the investment community with companies that have great potential and a strong dedication to building shareholder value. The following audio press release may feature a client partner of Investor Brand Network. Investor Brand Network may have been compensated for the production of this audio production. Please be sure to read our entire disclaimer for full disclosure.
NetworkNewsWire presents DeFi Technologies expands executive management team as it focuses on growth in European and global markets along with new product launches. DeFi Technologies Inc, ticker symbol DEFTF, a digital asset investment firm bridging the gap between traditional capital markets and decentralized finance, today announced the expansion of its management team. Russell Starr, Executive Chairman of DeFi Technologies, will assume the role of CEO. Diana Biggs, previously CEO of Valour Inc, takes up a new role as DeFi Technologies Chief Strategy Officer, and Johan Wattenstrom, co-founder and director at Valour, becomes COO of the company. Since the start of 2021, DeFi Technologies has completed the acquisition of Valour Inc, an issuer of digital asset exchange-traded products, introduced its DeFi venture portfolio, and established its DeFi governance business. Given the tremendous rise in interest and activity in the decentralized finance ecosystem, the expansion of DeFi Technologies' executive team will allow it to accelerate its growth trajectory further, with an aim to increase its global reach, build new partnerships, and add lines of business. Quote, DeFi Technologies began with the vision of giving public markets investors early exposure to what I believe is the next wave of financial innovation. When I first joined as CEO, I could have only dreamt of where we are today, end quote, said Wouter Wittvoet, president of DeFi Technologies. Quote, by expanding the management team with Johan and Diana, we have two seasoned professionals who will help grow our footprint in Europe, in our asset management business, and globally in DeFi governance and ventures. I am also thrilled that Russell Starr has agreed to come on board as CEO. Russell is an experienced capital markets professional who can carry the DeFi message to investors, end quote, said Mr. Wittvoet. Quote, Johan and Diana are incredibly well respected in both crypto and business as demonstrated by the success of Valour to date. With this strategic realignment, we are positioning DeFi Technologies to not only become the leading provider of digital asset ETPs via Valour, which remains an integral part of our business, and we will be announcing a new CEO for Valour in due course, but also for further growth across digital asset management, venture, and governance initiatives. Wouter has done a fantastic job of building out the DeFi Technologies brand and will remain a key player in the management team. We are also making progress on our mission to expand investor access to industry-leading decentralized technologies, allowing them to participate in the future of finance via regulated equity exchanges, said Russell Starr. As both a shareholder and board member, I am extremely proud of the team's execution thus far and look forward to growing business alongside these tremendous partners. End quote.
This audio press release is an original broadcast provided by Investor Brand Network, a multifaceted financial news and publishing company that delivers a new generation of corporate communication solutions, including news aggregation and syndication, social communication, and brand awareness tools. Investor Brand Network may receive payments for the services and solutions provided to its client partners. You should assume that the owners, officers, and directors of Investor Brand Network or financial analysts mentioned in this audio production may hold a position in and may intend to trade the securities on their own accounts. This audio production is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell any securities mentioned in this audio production. The information in this broadcast is presented solely for informative purposes and is not intended to be or should it be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the companies thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This audio production by Investor Brand Network is not purported to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from featured companies and other sources but not verified nor guaranteed by Investor Brand Network as to completeness or accuracy. Such information is subject to change without notice. Please see our full disclaimers and disclosures at investorbrandnetwork.com.